Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Shudder on your TV using an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming horror, thriller, and suspense content. Step 1. Turn on your TV and launch the Shudder app from your available apps menu. If you haven't installed it yet, download Shudder from your TV's app store first. Step 2. Open the Shudder app on your TV. Step 3. The app will display an activation code on your screen, along with instructions to visit shudder.com.activate. Step 4. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to shudder.com.activate. Step 5. Log into your Shudder account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 6. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 7. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 8. Return to your TV and wait a few moments for the Shudder app to refresh automatically. Step 9. Once activated, your TV will display the Shudder home screen with access to all available content. Step 10. You can now browse and stream your favorite horror and thriller movies and shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.